Hello guys, I am here to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install WordPress on your local system, and then I am also going to show you how to use WordPress for absolutely free on your local system. So please do watch the video till the end, and if you face any difficulty, please do comments in our comment box. I am always there to help you. So to download WordPress absolutely free, you will need two softwares. One is WordPress, so you need to download WordPress. And another software we will need is Xampp. Okay, so both the links I will provide you in the description box, so you can directly go there. So you can see both softwares are downloading. So once Xampp and WordPress are downloaded, minimize your browser, go to download directory where you have downloaded. You can see that both Xampp and WordPress are rightly downloaded over here. So first you need to know install Xampp. So just simply double click on Xampp installer, click on yes. It will take some seconds and you can see welcome to Xampp. So here you need to simply click on next, and next ready to be installed has rightly begun. So it will take some minutes to get installed. Let's go to our download directory and extract our WordPress. So all you need to do is you need to right click on the zip file and extract the file, and it will start extracting our WordPress. So let's wait for a minute. To extract our WordPress folder is rightly extracted over here. So now you can see our Xampp is actually installed. So you can just click on finish and this is going to open. Our control panel over here, so you need to start Apache and MySQL server. So both are started. Minimize this control panel. Now remember, we have extracted this WordPress, so all you need to do is copy this extracting WordPress folder and then going to C drive and then click on Xampp folder, and there you will get htdocs folder. Remember this folder. So inside, and right click and paste over here the WordPress folder. After doing this, rename this folder. Click on this file, and after doing this, the file will look like this. Simply minimize the directory and open your control panel. Remember this control panel we have started Apache and MySQL. So you need to click on this admin for MySQL. So once you click on that, it will open our localhost PHPMyAdmin on our browser. So here you can see on left side new, click on this and let's create a database name as WordPress and simply click on create, and our WordPress folder is created. Open a new tab and type over here. The name we gave to our WordPress folder is localhost/SEO5/ and enter. So our localhost is open. Click on WordPress. Show you this page. So here you need to choose the language and click on continue, and then click on let's go, and it is going to ask your database name. So remember we gave the name WordPress, so type over here WordPress, and username gives root and password can be kept blank, and click on submit. Then it will ask you the site title, let's give hello world, and username gives root. Let's give any password you want and gives your email ID, and check this search engine visibility and click on install WordPress. This will take some minutes. After finishing off WordPress, you can see our WordPress directly installed, and simply click on login and give username and password and click on login, and there you go. Welcome to WordPress. By this you will get to know about appearance, themes, plugins, and you can install new themes from here and many lots of things.